Australia's first Indian magazine to have a national reach, Indus Age is the largest circulated South Asian magazine in Australia with 5 simultaneous editions, 55,000 copies printed monthly, 220,000 readers, largest network of clients, undisputed leader in community news. Indus Age is circulated in Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Brisbane and Perth to over 525 outlets. Grab your copy now to get the latest on the community, news from India, Bollywood, music and much more. For more info, log on to www.indusage.com.au.
So, Pauli ma'am, today women characters on screen are as strong as a male protagonist. So, what do you have to say on that, and how important your character in the film Raat Baki Hai is?
See, it's very important also. I think language of cinema has changed over the years. Initially, we used to only see women in a certain way, in films. But I think definitely I have to give this to OTT and ZEE5, of course, like the kind of contents they are bringing into, like for the audience. And it's different, it's varieties that they have. And in that, they're also keeping like women-oriented films, women-oriented series. Like my debut was with ZEE5, Kali. So that was again a very strong, powerful, independent woman. And I think it's important also to talk, about the issues. We talk about social issues, so we have to also talk about women issues. But that can be subtle. That what is there in Raat Baki, and I really love the script. The subtlety in the characters, in whatever they are doing, in whatever happening around, that what makes it, I think Raat Baki Hai is so special for me. And of course, it's my second collaboration with ZEE5. So it is special.
Right. Okay. So my next question would be for Anup sir. Anup sir, Raat Baki has adapted from Ballygunge 1990, where you have acted. What was it that you decided to do the film, and what difference do you see in acting on stage and on screen?
Actually, we were doing this play since December 2018. And in the play, there were only 2 characters, Karthik and Vasuki, which me and Pauli are playing. So the play had only 2 characters. And in the play, there was another actress called Nishtha. She was playing Vasuki's role. So this idea came from ZEE5 only. They, in fact, liked the play and they thought that it will be a good film for ZEE5. And this was their idea that if we can, work on a script which can be made into a film. So as an actor, yes, there was a major difference because, when you perform live in front of audience, the whole story goes into a linear format and you have to keep the audience engaged, in that live performance, and especially in a thriller. You can imagine, in a film, you have technical devices, you have shortcuts to create that thrill and a murder mystery atmosphere. But on stage, you have lights and you have actors in front of. There are no different locations. There is only one location on stage when you're performing live. But when we did the film, obviously the whole plot was same, but there were different tracks. There were different layers to the story. And Siddharth Mishra, our writer, he added a couple of more interesting characters. So when I was playing Karthik on stage, then I was dealing only with Vasuki. But here, when I was performing on screen, I had Vani's character, which is played by Dipanita. I had Rahul playing Alavat. Definitely Vasuki was there. But, there was other characters which were on screen. There were some characters in play which we had only mentioned about, For example, in play, Vasuki's husband never comes on stage. But here we had Vasuki's husband also, and there were a couple of other characters. So I think the relationship, the tracks changed. So for me, shooting as Karthik was also very different from what I was performing on stage.
Also, sir, how is acting different from other art forms? Like directing, writing, how is it different?
Acting?
Yes, from other art forms. What do you think?
I think every department has a different role to play, A writer conceives an idea and writes a story, creates characters. A director who binds all of them together, and an actor he's just a tool. His job is to create the image of that character which the writer has written and what director wants you to behave like, to make it true for the audience. That's what is an
Right.
actor's job. We are implementers. हम लोग जो हैं वो क्या कहते हैं, implementers हैं जो किसी के काम को, हमारा काम है कि सही किए डिजाइन को जो है अच्छी तरह से कंस्ट्रक्ट करके हम प्रेजेंट कर दें.
Right. So my next question is for Rahul sir. The title of the film, Raat Baki Hai, you know, it's mysterious. So how is this film going to be different from other thriller films?
I'll just fairly tell you that this film is really going to be it's fast-paced.
Okay.
It's non-linear in its format. I think the performances are very natural. I mean, I've not seen them, but you know, I know the actors who are part of it. They're all natural performers. So it'll be organic in its own thing. I mean, if you see, I mean, Ash's earlier work, he did She on another platform. So again, you know, his kind of work is in the very real space. You know, the way it's been written, the fact that it's been adapted from a play to begin with. And there's some really good actors in it. There's Saurav Sajdev. You can watch out for him. He's really terrific in this also. And you know, so
Okay.
some very nice parts and nice roles he's got. And I think it'll make for a really good fare to people who really like thrillers. If you don't like thrillers, it'll be nice venturing out to watch one. So I think I'm pretty bullish about this film.
And so nowadays the content is getting richer with many layers to a character.
I
As an
didn't get
actor,
that. You said richer, or what did you say? Is getting
yeah,
richer?
richer. The content is getting richer and richer.
Yeah,
And as
thank
an
God
actor, how do you
for that.
ensure that, how do you ensure that the darkness in a character, like we've seen that the characters are quite dark through the trailer of this film, the characters are quite dark. So how, as an actor, do you ensure that, that comes out on screen as well?
So I'll tell you what happens. Like if you divide cinema or the kind of work happening, say prior to the last 7 years,
Yeah,
you would have things in the real space, but you know the audiences would be a little smaller.
correct.
I mean, of course, there would be some odd films which will cross that boundary and go across to large. Now the whole thing is the audiences become so smart that they want this kind of. So the content is becoming better simply because the audiences have become better. They're not like the simplest times anymore, and the times are nicer, in fact. So you like participating in this kind of creativity because it'll get something out of you.
True.
So it's
Right.
more collaborative in nature as opposed to something. कई बार होता था कि यकीन नहीं हो रहा है आप क्या कर रहे हो मगर करना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि ये आपका काम है. ये होता है ना कभी फंस जाता है. तो इसमें जो आपका डार्क साइड वाला जो है हिस्सा ना, like how you early on you would have dark side in a very typically told way. In say I'm a commercial cinema product, so it's told in a different way. Here it's little more organic. It's a little more organic. It's like more like life. It's more like life, that nobody is like a Satyavadi Harishchandra in life. And nobody is a downright bad guy in life. I mean, of course, there are criminals, but everyone has a reason to be one. होता है ना कुछ एक लाइफ में कुछ हो जाता है और वो आदमी उस रास्ते चले जाता है फिर उसी रास्ते रह जाता है. So it's more in that space. It's more in that space.
Okay.
So you like it. You like it. And of course, the setting is all royal.
We are looking forward to it. So now my next question is for Pauli ma'am. How is the whole experience of a film releasing online different from it releasing in theaters? So how is the whole experience?
See, that's I think the difference between, I would like to put it like you're asking me what's the difference between an OTT release and a theatrical release, right?
Right.
So I think, I've worked in all kind of medium. Like, I would say like, it's different, but it is thrilling, both have different kind of thrills. Like 2019, before the pandemic actually, started and this COVID thing started in India, I had a release and it was packed house, like all the theaters, it was full house. So when you go and you see the audience reaction and the kind of excitement and the questions they have, so that's a different kind of an experience. That's a larger than life experience, I would say. But at the same time, I would also put like this, like for an OTT release, like it can be a story from anywhere.
Right.
Daat Baki is a story from Rajasthan, but it will reach so many people at the same time in so many countries, irrespective of the language, because you have subtitles. Just the way we watch foreign contents, so they are also going to watch Raat Baki Hai, which is an Indian content, and it will reach like maybe 190, 200 or 300 countries, and so that thrill of like doing something which is reaching like huge amount of people at the same time, that what OTT releases give. So I enjoy both, and I think both the medium can exist in harmony, and that would be better for all actors, of course.
Right. Also, ma'am, what sort of a genre would you like to explore more in the future?
I love doing films. Like for me, it's the cinema and the content which is more important than the genre. But rom-com, why not? I love rom-com.
Okay.
Love stories.
Okay. So, Anup sir, this question is for you. You've been part of the industry for decades. How do you see the transformation in the industry over the years?
Sounds like I am like.
इतने तो बुढ़े नहीं हो गए तुम. Sounds like seriously.
I think transition is natural. You know, transition is natural. Yes, you're right. I've been working when there were television was weekly, then television became daily. I remember when I started working, I was only offered hero's friends role in movies, which I decided not to take, and that's how I ventured into television by chance, because I said hero ka ke चार दोस्तों में से एक दोस्त नहीं करना. But transition is, I think, very natural, you know, with time, with exposure. Like Rahul said, that today's audience is more exposed to a lot of things, you know. That's why they are intelligent. That's why you can't give them substandard work. You have to give them something niche, something special, something more authentic, exciting, adventurous. So change definitely is happening, and it will keep happening. Like, you know, people say, oh, OTT is there, so what will happen to people? Will stop going to theaters. I'm telling you, going to theaters, watching movies on 70mm screen will never, ever go out of fashion.
Okay.
Anything can come, but everything is part of our visual medium. But for actors, for directors, for writers, it's a great time that you have so many mediums to explore. Maybe, you know, when you write for a theatrical film, you are a little worried about the outcome, because the budgets are big, the investments are big. But then we have OTT, where obviously the stakes are lesser, and the returns are also better. You can kind of experiment with different kind of content. And on the other side, you have your Saas Bahu drama, which kind of entertains every household. So ये transition है, ये change है, ये cycle है, ये चलती रहेगी, ये घूमता रहेगा भैया.
So, but sir, do you think that the audience of TV is moving towards the OTT platform now?
Did you realize that all the television shows are available on their OTT platforms also? So even if the audience is moving towards OTT, every GEC has their own OTT platform also. And they're shifting their all GEC content on their OTT content also. The platform
also.
True. So I think the audience is mixing. Only thing is कि घर एक बन गया है, सब कुछ वहाँ मिलेगा अब.
Okay. So this question is for Rahul sir. Sir, you know, you have to be, as an actor, you have to keep experimenting yourself, especially to keep yourself abreast with the contemporary scenario. So especially, you know, like you all have mentioned that the taste of audience is changing really fast. So how important as an actor it is for you?
And I'm so glad. I would embrace that change, you know, because a lot of times, you know, I'm an educated guy. I'm from Delhi. I went to a great school, did engineering as a degree. So, you know, a lot of illogical things. अभी आप एक लड़ाई को ही देख लीजिए. दो लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, अगर आमतौर पे जिंदगी में अगर they fight, you normally would tend to tear each other's clothes, right? बट सिनेमा लार्जर देन लाइफ में क्या होता है कि पहले जो विलेन होता है अपना शरीर दिखाता है, देख यार मेरा शरीर ऐसा कमाल का 6 पैक, उसके बाद फिर लड़ते कहीं जाके वो हीरो भी अपनी कमीज खोल लेता है. So that's cinema, and people have loved it. I've participated in many films like that who have really worked amazing things at the box office. I mean, there's somebody legendary called Salman Khan who people love, and he does these kind of things in quite a few films. So that's one kind of. But for me, coming from Delhi, going into Bombay City with no background as such of film family on either side, so engineer है, थोड़ा लॉजिकल अप्रोच है. शुरू में मुझे अजीब लगता था. मुझे लगता था यार मैं अपनी कमीज में उतार रहा हूँ, मुझे तो उसकी फाड़ देनी चाहिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. So I'm glad it's become like this, because this is what I always wanted to do. I mean, this is why I became an actor in the first place. School में बोलते थे सात रस है, ये है वो है, but then you got to know that the journey is not so organic as it is in when you learn the craft. So you adapt to whatever the practical or the practicality of the situation is, and you keep on continuing and hope for a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And this one really has one, because the changing times are helping that pot of gold actually happen. I mean, the people are writing much better stuff. And see, I'll tell you, writing, for example, writing's become better. People are now starting getting paid for writing. अब लाइनें ही अजीब हैं. बेटा तुम आ गए हो, माँ कह रही है. मेरी माँ ने मुझे आज तक नहीं कहा, मैं 50 साल का हूँ, कि बेटा तुम घर आ गए हो. For example, that would a very lachar mother would always be there, and some coughing grandmother would be there, who would almost die. So my house didn't have that scenario, and I felt that when I visited most of the houses, most of them didn't have one. So the depiction would be in a certain way, and it's changed for the better. And that's a huge thing, is duty in terms of changing contemporary stuff. Well, let's look at Z5, for example, my collaboration with them. This is the 5th one with them, and I started off as a Nihang Sardar in March last year. I played a uniformed cop for them, and I think in July, they gave me a fantastic comedy where I was participating more mainstream, not the kind of stuff I'm talking, like in-your-face comedy. And here I'm playing like a nice thriller, like state-of-the-art, edgy, that kind of stuff. So it's great.
So finally, sir, this question is for you all. What can the audience expect from Raat Baki Hai? We can start with Rahul sir only, or anyone can go, take it.
I think it's a night full of surprises. It's holding one surprise after the other. I think it's going to be a wonderful watch for the audiences. And so it's short, it's quick, it's fast. We'll have to keep abreast of what's going on, and I think they'll enjoy the fair. I'm pretty bullish about it.
Pauli ma'am?
I think it's a cat and mouse chase, with the audience and the story. And that I think I felt when I read it. I think the audience is going to enjoy this fun ride. It's going to be a fun ride, a roller coaster ride.
Anup sir, what do you have to say?
I think it's crime of passion. This whole thriller called Raat Baki Hai. There is passion behind the crime, and whose passion is more stronger will come to on 16.
We're really looking forward to this. Thank you all for your time. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to speak with you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nidhi. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Australia's first Indian magazine to have a national reach, Indus Age is the largest circulated South Asian magazine in Australia with 5 simultaneous editions, 55,000 copies printed monthly, 220,000 readers, largest network of clients, undisputed leader in community news. Indus Age is circulated in Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Brisbane and Perth to over 525 outlets. Grab your copy now to get the latest on the community, news from India, Bollywood, music and much more. For more info, log on to www.indusage.com.au.